Hey guys, today we're gonna be making well we're gonna be testing. So what you need is some pyramid in and some pyramid out. So the stuff you need is some spice, I just have some Maggi, dinner, and some stuff. We're testing the up and down. So first we open the sauce sample. I have this sauce. And then you put some in. Too much because you're testing it. And I don't think it is gonna work. So yeah. Then you just get a pinch of salt, press them in, and then you just mix. So far it doesn't look like it's working. So I'm just gonna try to add another pinch of other pinch. So I don't really think for me a 1 out of 10 it's like 1. It's so liquidy. Look, you can't even bring it up. You can't really see it that much. That lady. See, what is this? It's just so liquidy. So if I were you guys, I wouldn't try this because I just tried it for you. Or you can try to use another kind of shampoo. I use Pro Sense Flea and Tick Dog shampoo. So fleas and ticks. So yeah. Thanks so much.